Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the factors affecting the velocity and direction of wind. When the motion in air, that is called the wind. That is called the wind. Here the horizontal motion, and the factors affect the velocity and the direction of wind. Pressure gradient force also, frictional force and the Coriolis force. First, we discuss about the pressure gradient force. Pressure gradient force. Here the difference found in the air pressure. Some places we had the high pressure, some places we had the low pressure, and the wind nature movement. The movement of the wind from high pressure to the low pressure. Here the difference found in the atmospheric pressure. Here difference found in the air pressure या atmospheric pressure produce here a force. Or this force is known as the pressure gradient force. So what is pressure gradient force? The difference in atmospheric pressure produce. The atmospheric pressure में जो difference होता है ये क्या produce करता है? Produce here a force, or this force is known as the pressure gradient force. The rate of change pressure with respect to distance is pressure gradient force. The rate of change the pressure. The rate of change of the pressure is here high, then here the pressure gradient force is high, then here the low, then pressure gradient force is low. For example, then the isobar. For example, the isobar. What is isobar? The which lines join the equal air pressure region, that is called the isobar. Then here 1000. Here we consider this one place here, one here, another here. Then here the 1017 millibar air pressure, 1017 millibar air pressure, 1017 millibar air pressure, and 1017 millibar air pressure. Then the line which join these places, this line is known as the isobar. This line is known as the isobar. Then the region here, like here the region, the isobars nearby 117 MB isobar, 180 MB isobar, 1019 isobar, 1020 isobar here. Then another place, then here 1017 millibar isobar line here, 1018 millibar iso line here, 1019 millibar iso line here. Then here that then isobar have low distance, then pressure gradient force is the more effective. Then isobar line have a maximum distance, then pressure gradient force लो इफेक्टिव. देखो क्या हो रहा है इसमें कि प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट जो फोर्स है ज्यादा कब होगा? जब इसमें डिफरेंस ज्यादा होगा. डिफरेंस कहां पे होगा? देन द आइसोबार नियर. आइसोबार पास में होगी, और जब आइसोबार दूर होगी, हियर द प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट फोर्स इज लो हियर. क्लियर? सेकंड ईयर फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. तो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स आल्सो रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द affect the velocity and the direction of the wind. Then here the earth surface here, land part here, this frictional force work here the end. Then here the ocean surface, here frictional force work here low here. It affects the speed of wind. This frictional force affect the speed of the wind. It is greatest at the surface, and its influence generally extends upon an elevation of 1 to 3 किलोमीटर. ओवर द सी सरफेस द फ्रिक्शन इज मिनिमम. जो सी सरफेस होता है वहां पे फ्रिक्शन नहीं होता है, मिनिमम होता है. देन द लैंड सरफेस फ्रिक्शनल force is work here the maximum. So here the frictional force also affect the velocity and the direction of the wind. Then Coriolis force, the force exerted by the rotation of the earth का rotation होता है कैसे? west to east on its axis. Then here the exerted here the force from the rotation of earth. This force is known as the Coriolis force. The Coriolis scholar found this force. The Coriolis scholar, the name is Coriolis, and found this Coriolis जो स्कॉलर है उन्होंने Coriolis force के बारे में बताया. Then ये जो कोरियोलिस फोर्स है उसको जो नाम दिया है कोरियोलिस फोर्स नाम दिया, नेम्ड बाय कोरियोलिस, एंड द फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ दैट इज नोन एज द कोरियोलिस फोर्स। यानी कि पृथ्वी की अपने जगह पर क्या हो रही ना, अपने अक्ष पर क्या हो रही है, पश्चिम से पूर्व की ओर घूम रही ना, the earth rotation west to east its own axis, that and here the force or this force is known as the Coriolis force. By the Coriolis force, here the law of Ferrel also work here. Then here the 0 degree, then here 0 degree. So what movement here of the winds, then the winds cross 0 degree equator line. Here the Coriolis force work here, and the direction of the winds change here, and they turn या deflects in rights, and then here deflects in right in north hemisphere and south hemisphere. जब यहां से आ रही है विंड तो क्या होगा, in left side, in right side according to law of the Ferrel. And then here the by the Coriolis force here these winds, जो winds कहाँ से जा रही हैं, साउथ हेमिस्फीयर से। जैसे 0 डिग्री आती है इक्वेटर, देन इक्वेटर से यहाँ पे क्या फोर्स हो रहा है, ड्यू टू Coriolis force these move in the या deflect in right, और then here the winds from the north hemisphere to south hemisphere, then here the 0 degree, and these deflects towards the left. Pressure gradient force, frictional force, and the Coriolis force affect the velocity and the direction of the wind. Next, geostrophic wind. What is geostrophic wind? Here the earth surface, and above the earth surface here the blow the wind. These winds are known as the geostrophic wind. But here the main characteristic is when isobar are straight. जब क्या हो रहा है, isobar straight होती है, ठीक है। देन और आइसोबार के अकॉर्डिंग, आइसोबार के जो पैरेलल है, ये विंड्स का क्या होता है ना, फ्लो होता है। विंड्स कहां से कैसे चल रही है, पैरेलल ऑफ द आइसोबार, और देन हियर द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सरफेस से ऊपर होती है अप्रोक्स 1 to 3 किलोमीटर, और आइसोबार के पैरेलल होती है। दीज आर नोन एज द जियोस्ट्रोपिक winds. When isobars are straight and there is no friction. फ्रिक्शन क्यों नहीं हो रहा, बिकॉज ये सरफेस से अपर साइड में ऊपर है, एंड द प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट फोर्स इज बैलेंस्ड बाय द Coriolis force, और प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट फोर्स इज बैलेंस्ड बाय द Coriolis force, एंड द विंड दैट ब्लोज, और विंड ब्लोज इज पैरेलल टू द isobar. This is non-geostropic wind. तो geostropic wind क्या हुआ, these winds flow parallel of the isobar lines, known as the geostropic wind. And the velocity and the direction of the wind are net result of the wind generating. So the velocity and the direction of the wind are the result of the wind generating forces. Clear? And the winds in the upper layer or at the atmosphere, तो धरातल से ऊपर हो गया, upper layer or the atmosphere, that is 2 to 3 किलोमीटर, 2 से 3 किलोमीटर ऊंचाई पर, ठीक है। the height of 2 to 3 किलोमीटर above the surface are free from the frictional effect. अब 2 to 3 किलोमीटर अबव यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स है वो वर्क नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। एंड मेनली कंट्रोल्ड बाय द प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट एंड द Coriolis force when isobar are straight. Then isobar are straight here. When there is no friction, the pressure gradient force is balanced by the Coriolis force, and the result is, क्या रिजल्ट होता है, winds blow parallel of the isobar, और the wind is known as the geostropic wind. जो आइसोबार के पैरेलल चलती है, ठीक है, और होता क्या, 2 से 3 किलोमीटर की हाइट पर. These winds are known as the geostropic wind.